Hey everyone, welcome to our very first episode of the Java 21 series. I am Pavan, and today we're kicking things off by diving into what makes Java 21 such an exciting release in the Java ecosystem. Whether you're completely new to Java or you've been coding in Java for years, there's something here for everyone. Let's start by understanding what makes Java 21 special and how the concept of long-term support, or LTS, plays a big role in the Java release cycle. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It has a predictable release cycle with new versions every 6 months, but not every version is a long-term support release. Every few years, a version is selected as an LTS release. Why does this matter? LTS releases are important because they get long-term support from Oracle and other vendors. This means companies can rely on these versions for stability, security updates, and performance improvements over a longer period. So, what does this mean for you as a developer? Well, if you're working on a big project, you don't want to be constantly updating your Java version every 6 months. An LTS version like Java 21 gives you peace of mind. You can stick with it for many years and still get all the important updates. Java 21, supported until 2032. For beginners, this means Java 21 is a great starting point since you'll be learning and working with a version that's going to stick around for a long time. Now, what exactly is long-term support? In the tech world, LTS means that the software will continue to receive important updates, security fixes, performance boosts, and bug patches for an extended period. Java 21 will be supported until at least 2032. That's nearly 10 years of guaranteed support. For businesses, LTS versions are critical because they need that stability to avoid breaking their systems with constant updates. But as a developer, it's equally important because you can confidently build your projects on Java 21, knowing it'll be stable and supported. Alright, now that we've covered why Java 21 is significant, let's talk about what's new in this version. Java 21 brings exciting features that make coding easier, faster, and more efficient. Here's a quick overview. Virtual threads. A game changer for handling multiple tasks at once without slowing down your application. Pattern matching. A powerful feature that lets you write cleaner and more understandable code. Record patterns. A new way to deal with data, making it easier to create and manage objects with immutable data. Let's look at an example. Imagine you have an object like a person with data fields such as name and age. In Java 21, we can use record patterns to work with this data in a clean and efficient way. See how concise that is? Instead of writing complex getter methods or manual data extraction, record patterns handle it with a simple, readable structure. This is just a glimpse of how Java 21 simplifies code management, making it more readable and less error-prone, especially when dealing with data. Another major improvement is virtual threads. If you've worked with threads before, you know they're a bit tricky to manage, especially when your application gets bigger. Virtual threads in Java 21 make it super easy to handle many tasks at once without bogging down your system. In later episodes, we'll take a deep dive into how virtual threads work, but for now, know that they are designed to make your applications faster and more scalable. Throughout this series, we'll be exploring all these features and more. Whether it's improvements in the Java syntax or advanced features like virtual threads and pattern matching, we'll cover them in detail with simple explanations and real-world code examples. So, what are you most excited about in Java 21? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next episode, where we'll dive into setting up Java 21 on your machine and writing your first program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of our Java 21 series. Stay tuned.